We audited 181 e-commerce brands. 72% were completely invisible to ChatGPT. Not ranked low. Invisible. Here is why that happens and how to fix it. First, the shift. Your customers changed how they shop. Instead of scrolling Google, they ask AI a question and take the answer. The AI names a few brands. If you are not named, the sale happens without you ever getting a chance. And here's the scary part. You will never see it in your analytics. There is no impression, no click, no bounce. You are just absent. So why are so many brands invisible? 3 reasons. Reason 1. Their site is built for humans, not machines. Beautiful design, clever copy, but no clear structure the AI can parse. AI wants direct questions and direct answers. Most product pages bury the facts. Reason 2. They are blocked without knowing it. Many stores accidentally block AI crawlers, or have no schema and no llms.txt file. So even when the AI tries to read them, it gets nothing useful. Reason 3, and this is the big one, no off-site presence. Around 85% of what AI cites comes from off your website. Reviews, directories, and third-party mentions. If the rest of the web is silent about your brand, the AI has no reason to trust you and no source to cite. Now the fix. It is faster than you think. Structure your key pages so answers are easy to lift. Add schema and an llms.txt file so crawlers can read you. Then build a footprint offsite so the AI sees your name in the places it already trusts. That is the difference between invisible and recommended. The brands in that invisible 72% are not worse products. They just have not been told the rules changed. Want to know which side of the line your brand is on? We run a free AI visibility audit. Start at CiteVantage.com.